Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'll show you the exact save game and config file location for WWE 2K24. If you want to back up the files or edit your game settings, this video help you find right folders instantly. Let's get started. Open up File Explorer and go to C drive and go to Users folder and open the username folder. If you doesn't know your username, then select the start icon. Here you can able to see your username and then double click on it, and now select the view and select show and make sure you check this hidden items option, and then you can able to see this app data folder. Double click on it and double click on roaming folder and find Goldberg Steam EMU saves, and find this number 2315690. Just open this folder, open remote, and this is where all your game progress will be saved. Now I show you guys backup. Just copy this number folder and paste it in another location. If something goes wrong, you can easily restore just by copy this folder and paste it in this location, and your game progress will be back. Now I show you guys the config file location. Go to documents folder and open the WWE 2K24. Right click on the config and select edit in notepad. If your game is crashing in the startup, then you can lower the game settings in here and then select file and select save option to save the settings, and this can help you fix the game crashing on startup problem. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.